Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to enable an AI assistant in Telegram. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Telegram application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for the Telegram application, install it and open it up. So once you're ready, we can go ahead and log in using our phone number. Once you have opened up the application and logged in, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your home page from where we can get started. Here you're going to have all of your chats that you can access, and now we can get started with adding our AI assistants. So basically guys, the first thing you need to do and to figure out is the AI assistant you want to use, because Telegram does not offer an AI assistant right here directly in the application. But if you want to use an AI assistant, let's say for crypto or something similar for trading, you are going to be able to add it from here. So you're going to go ahead and open up the link that you have been linked to that AI assistant to join it itself. As you can see here, I have a couple of trading bots such as the Floki trading bot that you can go ahead and start once you have opened it up. So you can see you have the start button that is going to enable you. Once you have opened up that chat, you can click the start button. This is going to enable you to use the bot commands to get started with using whatever the AI assistant is offering. So if you have any options and you know what it's offering, you can get started with using the AI assistant this way. But Telegram does not have any official AI assistants. So whatever you join, you're going to start it this way, and from here you can get started with using it for whatever your needs are. And basically it's all doable from the application itself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.